New week. It's your boy D Right there, back at it again. What is up, fam? Nothing much to do for this week's video except the refrigerator review, which I got an update on that. So the refrigerator's gonna be over here by tomorrow, I guess. Somehow it's supposed to be Thursday, but he changed it tomorrow to tomorrow. So yeah. Oh my god, me and my social media these days. But yeah, refrigerator review video on the way. Here's what I want to talk about for right now, and it has to do with racism. Racism is just bad enough. Cop killed black person. Cop got fired for that, so yeah. These racisms must end. Like, we need to stop this. These racisms can't have the win anymore. No way. This racism needs to end. I mean, soon, like sooner enough, because yeah, right now we're supporting all black people, black men, black women, any type of black person. So yeah. Right now, you gotta appreciate all these black people, because yeah, we have so much black African Americans here in America. We also have, yeah, even white African Americans as well. But the black African Americans, like black people, any type of ethnicity, that will do. We gotta support them all. Show them some love and respect. Like, seriously, we need to do that. George Floyd has died, and I feel bad about that. But at least he'll be fine. Oh my god, there's so many strings in my... Okay. This thing now is being torn apart. I don't get why, but strings are being shown. So, yep, I'm gonna get back to this exercise. I got another spare mesh just like this one, but without the strings out. So, yeah. So, yeah. I guess I'll finish out this exercise and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Or afternoon, because, yeah, refrigerator review. See you guys then. I think this is a perfect day to finally show you guys this refrigerator that I finally got. Like I said, I was supposed to get it Thursday, which is tomorrow, but well, yeah, that got changed to today. So yeah. So this is my fridge. It's a Walsh. No, there's no more of these on Amazon. They're probably out of stock. So if you're lucky to get one, well, if you're feeling like you want to buy one, you might as well gonna have to wait until they like have more in stock, because yeah, people been hitting on these way too quick. So yeah. So this is the one that replaced that other fridge. So I was thinking I will show you guys what I got inside the fridge. Nothing too special. So much storage. Through the door somehow. Yeah. So that's that, like a regular fridge. Of course, I got my bottle of Coke inside. This I could probably like put a little bit of vegetables or something like that. I don't know. Now we're going to the inside portion of the fridge. Cranberry juice fits in there. I got some fruit in there, which includes peaches. And I got my water jug in here. Once in the freezing compartment, I can put a little ice cream in there. Of course, I have to put my Ciroc in there. So it's kind of tiny, but it'll do. I can put a small ice cream in there. I put some candy bars in there, like chocolate bars, something like that. But on the other hand, what a great quality fridge. Outside, I decided to put magnets because, yeah, why not? And that's my fridge. Okay, fam. Looks like I'm gonna have to end this video up here for this week. Right now, I'm still working on my exercise and my leg's starting to hurt. I feel like I'm getting old or something. Not in a young age like this. If you guys ever had a feeling like you're getting old for something in your current age, like in your young age, let me know in the comments. But anyway, yep. That's it for this week's video, because I'm calling it off for the rest of the week. So, like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Turn those notifications on. And comment your positive or negative feedback. New vlogs every week. And I guess I'll see you guys later. Deuces. Thanks for watching my videos. It shows a ton of love and support. I really appreciate you guys. New vlogs every single week. Don't forget. See you guys next week. Love ya.